Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change the font on WhatsApp. Now, for you to change the font on WhatsApp, firstly you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that your device is connected to the internet, open up WhatsApp on your device. After you've opened up WhatsApp on your device, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on those three dots, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on that menu, click on the settings option. After you click on the settings option, you'll be redirected to the settings menu of WhatsApp. Now on that menu, go ahead and click on this search button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that button, type in FONT and click on the option that appears on your screen. Once you click on the option, you'll have three options popped up on your screen. Now if you want small font size, you can just click on the small option. If you want medium, click on the medium, and if you want large, click on the large. Now choose the option you want and then click on this OK button. After you click on that OK button, the font will be changed as your choice and you'll be able to use WhatsApp with your desired font. I hope this video helped you to change your font style on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.